What are human rights and what is recently human rights situation in the world and as well as in Azad Jammu Kashmir? Honorable President, human rights are those rights which God has granted to every human being from his birth. In other words, these are the fundamental rights of every human being anywhere on earth. Mr. President, every human being has the right of their life, justice, freedom, prosperity and social activity as he likes. But the striking question is that the modern world has granted all these rights, all the communities without the discrimination of color, caste, creed or religion. Mr. President, first of all, we discuss the current situation of human rights at international scene. At international level, world superpower America, Russia, India, Sri Lanka, Israel and many other countries are violating the basic human rights. Mr. President, freedom is the birthright of every human being. Why the world superpowers occupy the region of others and violate their basic right, the right of freedom? World superpower America is violating the basic human rights of the people all over the world. Dear listeners, America is violating the basic human rights by kidnapping the president of Venezuela from his palace. अब कोई आवाज तो तुमको जगा सकती नहीं, अब कोई आवाज तो तुमको जगा सकती नहीं, सीनाए वीरा में जान रखता आ सकती नहीं. Mr. President, on our national level, human rights violations are in the form of child labor, cruelty shown to the women in houses and favor shown to the rich and powerful groups. Mr. President, the situation of basic human rights in Azad Jammu Kashmir is very poor. Now I want to draw your attention towards our educational and examination system. Sir, our educational and examination system is very poor, which also badly violate the basic rights of innocent students who are facing poor educational policies and poor system of working, which is a matter of great concern. Sir, misuse of power is also noticed during the last 2 years, where the innocent citizens of Azad Jammu Kashmir were horribly tortured and horribly killed by the government of Azad Jammu Kashmir. So horribly, although they were protesting for their basic rights under the leadership of Awami Action Committee. मुकीद कर लिया ये कहकर सपेरों ने सांपों को, मुकीद कर लिया ये कहकर सपेरों ने सांपों को कि ये इंसानों को इंसानों से डसवाने का मौसम है. Mr. President, the incident of Bad, Chamnadi, Tarar, Rawalakot and Muzaffarabad is a shameful incident in the history of Azad Jammu Kashmir, where innocent citizens, protesters and innocent members of police force were horribly killed by the misuse of power of Azad Jammu Kashmir government. Mr. President, law and order situation in Azad Jammu Kashmir is also very horrible. I often observe that the institutions of the state are not conducting their affairs according to the law. Mr. President, the misuse of power and state resources against protesters result in the loss of many precious young lives of civilians and as well as police force. Mr. President, this shameful incident has taken us back in the era of Dogra, where in 1832, a horrible incident took place when Dogra peeled out the skin of alive bodies of young Kashmiris, Sabz Ali Khan, Malli Khan and their fellows. इंसानों के होते हुए इंसानों का ये हशर, इंसानों के होते हुए इंसानों का ये हशर देखा नहीं जाता मगर देख रही हूँ. Mr. President, it is commonly observed that the misuse of power, state resources and injustice have turned the situation into oppressions. Secondly, the violation of basic human rights in Azad Jammu Kashmir have also reached such a height that even the conscience of humanity is shaken. Mr. President, people of Azad Jammu Kashmir are being deprived of their basic rights. Lack of health facilities, unemployment and poor standard of education. Mr. President, moreover, lack of modern facilities are clearly visible. oppression, misuse of power, exploitation of resources, abuse of authority, and manipulation of the system are being carried out. Mr. President, why the atmosphere of restlessness and unrest spread throughout the country? Mr. President, who is responsible for this? And what will be the outcome of it? In my opinion, the reason of his unrest is that people's basic needs are not being fulfilled and increasing burden of inflation, making people's lives unbearable. In this situation, a feeling of hatred is developing and disturbance is arising everywhere. Mr. President, the struggle for basic civil rights have now turned into a battle between the state and the law. Mr. President, today's situation is that instead of resolving the problem of these innocent citizens, these issues are being exploited for personal interest. For the improvement of the situation, it is essential that people's basic rights are fully resolved. Lastly, I close my words with these lines. इस फिक्र में गुंजे जर्द हुए, इस सोच में कलियां सूख गई। इस फिक्र में गुंजे जर्द हुए, इस सोच में कलियां सूख गई। आईने गुलिस्तां क्या होगा, दस्तूर बहारा क्या होगा। थैंक यू।